Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. This is part 2 of the video I made on fixing this gas-fired water heater. It's a hamworthy Dorchester DR-FC 45. You would have previously seen me cleaning the burner, cleaning the detection probes. I was checking when the video ended the gas supply coming in to see if there was a drop on the gas supply as the ignition started. Whilst I was doing that, the burner decided to light, and it has been lighting consecutively. I do not know why it wasn't lighting consecutively before. I haven't done anything different. It had about 9 attempts to light and it failed about 9 times. Then as I was checking the gas supply, doing a drop test to see if the unit would if it was letting the gas through, that's when the unit decided to start up. So I was wondering if it just needed a purge, because you would have seen that I disconnected the gas supply in the previous video and then reconnected it whilst removing the burner, and I think in doing so maybe the unit needed to be purged. I don't know, but all I know is that it has lit twice consecutively without any fault. Let's try again. Okay, I'm going to just raise this temperature just for testing purposes. Going to drop it down once it lights because the PRV is letting by. Let's raise it slightly more. Okay. Heat demand, pre-purge, pressure switch. So we were getting a F05 fault when I arrived. Then after I done some inspecting and cleaning, we got a F04 fault code about 6 to 9 times. And then after I checked the gas supply, I did a drop test on the gas valve. After doing that, the unit started to light consecutively. So ignition, what was happening before it was doing ignition, then locking out and going after about 5 seconds and going to post purge. Now it's just running. Let's have a look at the flame picture. Not sure what you can see inside there. Sight glass is a bit small. Okay, thank you for joining me. Gonna drop this right down to 60 Celsius. And we're going to have to do a combustion test. There's my previous combustion test. So I'm going to check to see what the readings are like this time round. Alright, thank you for joining me. Until next time, bye bye bye.